How you doing, guys? Chris here from Divergent Drones. Perhaps you're like me and gotten a new app notification about something coming on the 25th of August. And for many, the cat is already out of the bag, and we all know it's going to be the Avata FPV drone. Both camera drone operators and FPV pilots have been very excited about this new drone, not because of the drone itself, which is very nice actually. For a Cinewhoop style drone that can record in 4K, onboard recording of 128 megabytes and in 4K resolution, we're all very excited. But as exciting as the drone is, we're actually more excited about the new Goggles 2 and the new O3 air unit that's going to accompany this release. It seems like everything is new with this new digital technology, all the way down to the lens on the new air unit. But there are some things that are going to remain the same. Compatibility with the original DJI FPV drone, the goggles, and the controller will all be available with the new Avata FPV drone. It's reported that there will not be a raw shooting mode, but DJI's Decine-like mode. And for those pilots who want to live more on the edge, there is going to be a manual mode. So if you're trying to get those shots that have only been possible with an FPV drone, now you can do it with the Avata. And DJI has planned ahead, so there's no fear about breaking parts on the new Avata FPV drone. There's going to be replacement parts. So instead of sending the drone back to DJI for repairs, you'll be able to take apart and replace the drone on your own. Here's a small batch of replacement parts that are available for the Avata FPV drone. So is this drone going to be the drone you're going to take into the mountains to do mountain surfing? Probably not, but there's nothing stopping you though. Stay tuned for more updates. I'm sure there's more to come. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.